Hello, hi everyone. So we've got lots and lots of Munga silk fabric and dupattas for you. So they all are in their natural form. This is the antique sari with Meena. बहुत वैरायटी है, आपको सब खोल खोल के दिखाने वाली हूँ. We've paired a few dupattas with them. आपको चाहिए खाली दुपट्टा लीजिए, आपको चाहिए खाली फैब्रिक लीजिए. एंड फैब्रिक आप जितना चाहे ले सकते हैं बिकॉज मुंगा सिल्क सूट सेट्स हमने पीछे दिखाए थे. मेनी ऑफ यू केम अप, मुझे फैब्रिक 4 मीटर चाहिए, मुझे अनारकली बनाना है, मुझे शरारा गरारा बनाना है. Guys, you have all these options in these fabrics. So as I told you, they are in their natural form. They are dyeable. You can dye them into any color of your choice, but I feel they are amazing as they are. So you can see this beautiful jal in antique zari with all this मीनाकारी on it. इसका आप शरारा गरारा स्कर्ट लहंगा बनाएंगे, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Guys, for prices you'll have to एक मिनट मुझे फैब्रिक देना. I'll show you a dupatta with it in chiffon georgette. So we these dupattas we have matched for you. अगर आपको ऐसा सेट लेना है, आप खाली दुपट्टा भी ले सकते हो, आप खाली फैब्रिक भी ले सकते हो. So they are very good on their own. So this is the dupatta in chiffon which we have matched. Zari is matching and the flow, the fabric, excellent piece, excellent set. Okay guys, so as I told you, you have many options. For prices you'll have to take a screenshot and send it to us on a WhatsApp number. I am not sure about the prices, they have just came in. So kuch ki to I think tagging bhi nahi hui hai. So this is one antique zari, another jal, wo thoda bada jal tha, ye thoda chota jal hai, and the meena colors are totally different. This is a pink and green, that was some other shade of pink and green. So this is a fabulous piece again to make anarkali, to make shararas, gararas, a simple suit set, whatever you want to do with these fabrics. So this is the dupatta we paired it up with. It's a pure chiffon dupatta and very flowy and lightweight. So as I told you, they all are dyeable. They can be dyed to any color of your choice. You can pick up a shade from our shade card. I'm going to show you some dyed versions also of Munga silk ke kaisa aata hai dye hoke. But these few pieces that have these meenakari, they are so pretty in themselves as it is. So they look fabulous because मीना है, जरी है, जाल है. So इसमें ज़्यादा आपको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर वैसे एक बार ऐसे पहनना है, एक दो बार उसके बाद डाई कराना है, you can get that too done. स्टिच होने के बाद वैसे थोड़ा डाई करना मुश्किल होता है, but it's okay, you can get it done. So this is another fabulous set for you. The dupatta is entirely in zari munga mein and the fabric is this. Okay, ye munga ke dupattas are don't have tassels because dye hone ke baad hi tassels hote hain, to they are as it is. Agar aapko tassel chahiye, dyeing chahiye, to you can ask us. We have to send them to Banaras, and then it will take 10 to 15 days for tassels to get done. So this is another fabulous Sona Rupa, वेरी कंटेम्प्रेरी डिजाइन. मैं आपको इसका डाइट वर्जन भी दिखा रही हूँ सो दैट यू हैव एन आइडिया कि डाई होने के बाद कैसा दिखता है. सो ये हमने एक क्लाइंट के लिए ब्लैक करवाया था. सो दिस इज हाउ इट हैज कम अप. एंड इसके साथ ये दुपट्टा हमने डाई करवाया था फॉर एज अ सेट. सो शी वांटेड अ लाइट दुपट्टा, नॉट मच. सो दिस इज द दुपट्टा विद इट. इट इज अ मूंगा सिल्क दुपट्टा, जस्ट हैज बॉर्डर्स और प्लेन है. So even this set is available. उनका चला गया. This is one more piece that I have. So this is the dyed version of it. ये white में है. इसके साथ आप ये दुपट्टा भी पेयर कर सकते हो. So this is a stripes का दुपट्टा we've given with it. Fabulous sets. Take them as it is. Wear them once or twice जैसे हैं नेचुरल में. और डाई कराना तो डाई करा के ले सकते हो. And आप So guys, the easiest and the best way to shop with us is take a screenshot, come on a WhatsApp number, and you can ask for all the details you want to know. Fabulous fabric, munga silka with lots and lots of meena colors. It's a beautiful piece guys. So ये तो आप कॉट सेट बना लो, इसको as it is ले लो. It's fabulous. I'm going to show you the back side of this fabric. It's very neat, very plain, and you can see the flow. As you all know by now, Munga silk is a very soft, flowy fabric, very earthy fabric, can be worn throughout the year. Sheen shine नहीं होता है, बहुत subtle fabric है. So this is a Kadwa Sona Rupa Bhuta Munga silk. I think एक या दो कट ही है, मेरे पास एक ही कट है. Okay, with this I have to show you this dupatta in tussar silk. It's a fabulous combination guys, fabulous. Just have a look. Take the kurta as it is and take this dupatta with it, एज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ये दुपट्टा इतना वर्सेटाइल है कि आपकी बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे जाएगा. सो जस्ट हैव अ लुक of the entire set. So this dupatta is for 18,620. मुझे जिसका प्राइस याद है I'm telling you, or otherwise you can check with us. Okay, now I have this one more fabric to show you in Munga silk. This is another meenakari buttas, very nice soft flowy. You can make anything out of it, as much as you want. You can take the fabric. Okay guys, I have this one more. ये भी small cut ही है. Small मतलब 2.5 मीटर का एक ही cut है मेरे पास. So this is the design. It's another fabulous piece. All the meenakari colors are so good in this. Okay, I have dupatta with this. You want, you can take only the dupatta separately. You want it, you can take them as a set. They are looking fabulous. And even the dupatta has, just come close and show the dupatta na. Dupatta has all these meenakari buttas on it. ओके गाइस, फ्यू मोर पीसेस टू शो यू. मुझे खाली दुपट्टास और जो फैब्रिक है वो भी दिखा दो एक बार. ओके, दिस इज वन अनदर ब्यूटीफुल मूंगा सिल्क जाल मीनाकारी दुपट्टा. So all these are dyeable. If you have any color in your mind or you want to tell us from our shade card से तो बताना ही पड़ेगा. माइंड में कोई भी कलर हो, आप थोड़ा आइडिया देंगे मुझे पिंक्स में चाहिए, मुझे ब्लूज में चाहिए, then we'll send you the shades from the shade card and you can. Okay guys, this is very small cut. It's not for sale. ये डिजाइन भी नहीं है हमारे पास, बट ये है कि आप डाई कराते हो कोई भी मूंगा सिल्क फैब्रिक, वो ऐसा आता है डाई होने के बाद. मूंगा कैचेस कलर ब्यूटीफुली, so there's no issue with it. Any shade will look very nice. Okay, this is one more design. This also I have 2.5 meter का cut only. You can come close and show. This is a shikarga deer and tree motifs हैं, बहुत सुंदर जंगल थीम है. It's a very nice fabric on its own. ओके गाइज, नाउ कुछ मूंगा सिल्क के दुपट्टास दिखा रही हूँ आपको नेचुरल में विद जरी. एज मेनी ऑफ यू हैव बीन आस्किंग अस, आपको किसी भी चीज के साथ पेयर करना है. दे आर डायबल, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू. tassels will take 10 to 15 days. We'll have to send them to Banaras, so just keep that in mind. This is one again beautiful dupatta with this meenakari booties. Okay, next up is this. So guys, if you're watching us from anywhere in the world, we ship worldwide. Shipping for international clients is free for 50K and above. अगर आपको कुछ एक वीडियो से पसंद आया, जस्ट मेक द पेमेंट एंड कीप इट असाइड. फिर दूसरा तीसरा वीडियो आपको जैसे पसंद आता जा रहा है, जस्ट कीप योर ऑर्डर by paying aside. We don't hold pieces without payment. Please keep that in mind. आपका जो फाइनल है उसका पेमेंट कीजिए, उसे साइड पे रखते जाइए. जैसे ही आपका 50K हो जाएगा, वी लेट यू नो एंड विल शिप इट फॉर फ्री टू यू इंटरनेशनली. और अगर आपको इंडिया में कहीं भी शिप कराना है टू योर बुटीक्स, योर मास्टर जीज, योर टेलर्स, योर रिलेटिव्स, दैट्स completely free. India shipping is totally free for everyone. So this is the last dupatta for you. Thank you. Have a great day.